Hi guys, today's tutorial is to show you the registration and booking process on Fasinii. Step 1. Searching for your ideal vehicle. Start off visiting our website. On the homepage, you'll find our rental search feature. Here you can input your desired rental start and end dates along with your preferred rental location. Step 2. Finding available cars. Fasinii will display available cars in your selected location, making it easy to browse and choose for the perfect vehicle for your needs. Step 3. Making a booking. Once you have found the vehicle that suits you, it is time to put in a booking. As you can see, the rental dates are already transferred into your booking, so all you have to do is enter your desired pickup time and location, and then click Continue to move forward. Step 4. Log in or create an account. At this point, if you haven't already logged in, you will be prompted to do so. Simply log into your Fasinii account and click Continue to proceed. Step 5. Verification. Now you will be directed to a verification page. This process ensures that you are eligible to drive the vehicle, that you're a genuine user. Here is what you will need to verify. Your email. By clicking verify, you will receive a link in your email where you will get to verify your Fasinii account. Your phone number. You will input your phone number and enter the OTP you receive. Furthermore, you will need to verify and upload a profile photo, provide your license information, upload pictures of your ID and license for verification purposes through our secure system. Step 6. Waiting for verification. After providing this information, you will need to wait briefly for our verification processes to ensure your eligibility and safety and to verify your provided information. Step 7. Review and payment. Once you are verified, you will be able to book a vehicle. You will be redirected to a page with an invoice summarizing your booking. Review the details, and if everything looks good, proceed to the payment page. That is your booking process tutorial. Stay well and happy renting.